Hello friends, welcome to Root Expert. In this video I am going to show you how you can earn money with your Android device. So let's start. First of all, go to Google Play Store as usual. Then search by typing Jilo. Then install this application. After installing, open it. Now it's showing you an ad. Just close the ad. Then tap on login with Facebook or login with Google. I am tapping login with Google. Then select a Google account. Then the app verifying you are not a robot. In this box, type your mobile number. And in this box, type 106871. Then tap on submit. Then next. Then next. Now tap on gear icon and you can see that my account is 0. Now tap on this button and play a video. After playing a video, the app will be showing you an ad. Just close the ad. Then the video will play. When the video playing, a notification will show that video reward added in your wallet. Now again tap on gear icon, then tap on reload button here and you can see that 0.050 rupee has already added. Now again tap on this button and play another video. Then close the ad. Now again reward added in my wallet. Just tap on gear icon and tap on reload button. Now you can see that some paisa have again added. So viewers, you can earn money by watching video using this app. You can earn money also referring your friend. Just tap on this button and you can see your referral code. Share this code with your friends and when they will use this app, then you can get benefit from them. Now how you can cash out from this app? Just tap on here, then skip the ad, then tap on cash out. Again skip the ad, then enter your amount here. Minimum withdraw 250 rupee. Then tap on continue. Now close the ad. Then choose payment method. If you are Indian user, select Paytm. If you are non-Indian user, select PayPal. And all of user can select Bitcoin. Then tap on cash out. Then close the ad. Then enter your wallet number and tap on withdraw. This app will pay you in 48 hours. So viewers, thumb up the like button if you like this video. If you have any related query, please comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell to get more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.